Hello to all, myself Chirag Bafna. Today I am going to discuss about the IoT based smart energy meter. These are the content in which I had already discussed about the literature service in the previous month, but today I am again explain in detail. In addition with this, I'll explain some components which are used in the energy meter, and lastly I'll conclude with the references and conclusion. We can see a person standing in front of our house from electricity board whose duty is to read the energy meter and hand over the bills to the owner of the house in every month. This is nothing but the meter reading. According to that reading, we have to pay the bills. The main drawback of this system is that person has to go area by area and he have to read the meter of every house and hand over the bills. Many times error like extra bill amount or notification from electric board even through the bills are paid are common errors. To overcome this drawback, we have come up with an idea which will eliminate the third party between the consumer and service provider. Human error likes be overcome. In the proposed method, the consumer can manage their energy consumption by knowing their energy usage time to time. Literature surveys state that today's increasing demand for electricity requires the solution that better align with the energy demand and supply. Despite numerous benefits, smart meters, a part of the technology with an IoT, continue to struggle for widespread consumer acceptance due to limited knowledge on the electricity saving and environmental awareness. With the second generation of unified theory of acceptance and use of technology, this is nothing but the UTAUT and technology acceptance module, that is TAM. In the second literature survey, innovative technology solutions such as smart metering application are gaining popularity among the electricity providers. Therefore, the proposed system is more likely to operate in the linear lineage region, in which turn with implemented the low cost devices with the cost effective amplifier. In this literature survey, we present the design and implementation issues of the Bluetooth enabled energy meter. The energy reader can collect the energy consumption reading from the energy meter wirelessly based on the Bluetooth. This is the block diagram in which energy meter have the four terminals, out of which two terminals are from the distribution and another two terminals take it as output, which will given to the relay and other household appliances. After that, optocoupler is there. This senses the reading of that meter in every second and they passes to the controller at mega 328p. This is the controller. We can say that this is the Atmega microcontroller. Then this passes to the node MCU, that is nothing but the Arduino. And by using the Arduino and cloud computing, this data will be sent to the mobile app in the Mahavitaran area, to the Mahavitaran board also. This is the circuit diagram in which the connections are over here. We have used the node MCU for processing all the things used in the project and connecting system to the internet. A relay is used for switching the electricity connection. Optocoupler is used to calculate the units consumed by the consumer. Now, relay is connected at the pin number 12 of node MCU through ULN 2003 relay driver. See, this is the relay driver in which there are 16 pins is there. Now, relay is connected to the pin number 12 and now user needs to connect anode terminal of LED at pin number of one of the optocoupler, and cathode is also connected there to terminal number pin 2. Pin number 4 of the optocoupler should be directly connected to the ground. A LED and a pull-up resistor are connected at pin number of 5, and same terminal should go to the node MCU. Whenever consumer uses the electrical appliances like fan, light, refrigerator, etc., then these things energy from energy meter. That is why this is called our electrical load. And the energy need if these appliances is called as energy consumption. How much energy consumed by a consumer is calculated by the energy meter, and electronic circuit is there for calculating the reading. And it also consists of a display which show the unit consumed by the consumer. Optocoupler consists of LED and phototransistor. Anode terminal of LED of energy meter is connected to the anode terminal of the LED, and cathode terminal of LED is connected to the energy meter through optocoupler. Collector terminal of phototransistor in the optocoupler is directly grounded, and emitter is connected to pin number 5 of the node MCU. Relay is also connected to the phase wire between the energy meter to load and relay. Through relay driver, initially it will be in closed condition, but when we want to cut the electrical supply at the time as per our programming, that means through microcontroller at mega, will active relay coil and relay will be in open condition. And when LED in optocoupler blinks, phototransistor it will active, and it's connected to the node MCU just like the electricity bill of consumer and number of units consumed by the consumer, last date of bill payment. From this we can directly cut out the supply of the consumer if they will not pay the bill. Here it is the concept of IoT. Everybody knows IoT is a system, interrelated computing device, mechanically, digitally machines, object, and so on. With, with the help of IoT, we can do so many things without requiring the human to human or any other interaction. So these are the things that collect and receive the information and send. After the sending, we should take the act on that, and these both thing we can do. These both thing we can do by its or own. And its application, it's definitely benefited for the meter company, consumer, and retailer itself. These are the advantages. First one is the eco-friendly. After that, fast response, definitely. Efficient, low-cost design. Live tracking is possible. Through live tracking, we get the reading, and definitely we cut out the supply which very easily. And disadvantage is that if our network coverage is slow, then billing system fails. And yes, it's expensive, definitely. Charges may be applicable for the network use. Here it is a topic scope. In the present time of 21st century, we have no space for the errors and faults in any technical system. So prepared energy meter is an advantageous concept for the further, and at least in near future, the cost involved in the building of this system could be minimized by using more efficient technology. And moreover, if real-time data feeds of the energy uses were tracked and stored in the centralized data center, it will be enable the government or the energy provider to predict the energy demand trends. The system could be made more smart by allowing the user to check power the consumption and alert him on his power consumption. And also one more thing is that if we went out from our home, so definitely we turn off the load from our mobile application itself. So this is nothing but we can, we save the money from this. Here are the references.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
In the
Chirag.
Lastly,
Okay.
I will conclude with the IoT-based meter reading system is designed to continuously monitor the meter reading, and this idea will save the time in future, and it will have a great impact in making the contribution in smart city, smart grid. Smart grid is nothing but the electrical plus IT. That is the concept of the smart grid. So it will be helpful for us. So here my achievements, and thanks to all.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Chirag. Good presentation. No problem. Okay.